Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to start a new lesson, new video series. Actually this is about web application development. Actually this is a video series. I use for this web application development, the framework I use for this purpose is Laravel. So I will guide you step by step how to create a web-based application using Laravel framework. So I am going to teach you this web application development process through a project wise. So actually I will guide you how to create a practical application by using the Laravel framework. So actually Laravel is a popular web application development framework. And it is very easy to learn and easy to handle. So I think this is very helpful to you. So stay with me or stay with the lessons, stay with the YouTube channel. So I will guide you step by step how to create a web application using the Laravel framework. So if you don't aware about the Laravel, just Google it and find more details about this framework. So it is up to you. So today, from my very first video on this topic, I am going to explain you how to install Laravel in your PC. So actually Laravel is an open source platform. Therefore, you don't want to spend money on this. So today, first lesson, I'll explain you how to install Laravel to your PC and how to work with, how to start our project. Initially, how to start our project with this framework. To build web application using Laravel, you need to install 3 softwares to your PC. One is Exam Server, Apache. You need a virtual server. On the other hand, you need to install Composer. It is another application you need to install to work with Laravel. Then the other one is Visual Studio Coding. So here I use Visual Studio Code to write codes for this. I use Visual Studio Code to write codes because it's very easy and easy to handle. Therefore, I use Visual Studio Code. However, in brief, to work with Laravel or to create a project with Laravel, you need to install virtual server, it means Exam. On the other hand, Composer and Visual Studio Code. So these things you should install your PC before start our work. So I have included download links for these softwares, then you can easily download these applications. So this is the link for the Exam Server. So I'll copy this link and I'm going to paste here. From this website, you can easily download Exam. So if you use Windows, you can install or you can download software from this place. If you use Linux, here is for Linux users and this is for the Apple users or Apple users. So likewise, you can download according to requirements. This is the place where you visit to download exam for your PC. Then the other thing you need to get is Composer. So you can download Composer from this place. So I'll include link under the video description. So this is the place where you need to visit, download the Composer. Here you can see a link. Here, by clicking download and run composer/setup, download and run Composer setup.exe. So from here you can easily download the Composer. Yeah. Now the final thing is what? It is Visual Studio. Yeah. This is download Visual Studio Code. This is the place where you visit to, where you should visit to download Visual Studio Code. So this place also you can download. You have to select according to your system requirements. If you are Windows user, you have to download from here, and Linux users, you need to follow these links, and for the Mac users, this is the thing you need to click to install Visual Studio Code. So likewise, you can install Exam, Composer and Visual Studio Code. So after successfully install these three softwares, then you can start working with the Laravel framework. On the other hand, once you install the softwares, just open and make sure that they are installed and run without any errors. Okay. So I have installed these three softwares successfully. So I don't want to reinstall them again. So if you face any problem when you are installing these softwares, just put a comment under the video comment section. Now I'm going to open Exam. So this is the exam control panel. So my version is 3.3. Then you see Apache server and MySQL server runs without any errors. So these are the ports they have used to run Apache and MySQL. So likewise, you need to install Exam or Apache server like this. On the other hand, the second one is what we call Composer. So then I have already installed Composer to my machine. So after install Composer to your PC, then you can check whether the Composer installed properly. You can check it you can check it like this. Just open command prompt. Now we are going to make sure whether the Composer installed properly. So once you open the command prompt, you need to type what? You need to type Composer, then press enter. If you install Composer successfully, then you can see this kind of window. Yes, my Composer has installed correctly. So it should work like this once you type Composer inside the command prompt. Then I am going to create a new project file. So how can we create new project? So first of all, you need to create a new folder. So here, any partition you can create folder. It is up to you. So I have created a new folder in my D partition. So the folder name is Laravel. So inside that folder, I want to create another new folder. So that is my project folder. So inside the Laravel folder, I am going to create a new folder, subfolder it is called. So I want to save my project file as student web. So this is the place where I used to save or create my project file. So under the D partition, I have a folder called Laravel. So under the Laravel, I created a new folder called student web. Then open this folder. Then I want to create my project file here by using the composer. Then I follow an easy method. I want to run my command prompt inside this folder. To run the command prompt inside this folder, what I am going to do, what I should do, I just select the address bar like this. Then I want to delete this path. Then type cmd and enter. So in this case, what happens? My command prompt runs inside my project folder. So it is very easy method and shortcut method. So here, then I am going to create my new project file using composer. So what is the command line I used to? So what is the command line I should use to create this project file? So here under the command prompt, I need to type these lines: composer space create slash or create project space Laravel backslash then Laravel. After that, I should give the project name. So my project name is student web portal. Student web portal. So this is the project name. So this is the command line I used to create my new project. So under the command prompt, you should write composer create dash project space Laravel backslash Laravel then student web portal. After that, what I am going to do, I press enter button. So once I press enter, it starts to create the project file. So it starts to create the project like this. Now my project is creating. Then it takes a few minutes to complete the setup. So once the setup is completed, we need to open our project via Visual Studio Code. Yes, you can see my project created successfully. You can see application key set successfully. Then my student web project file is created. Now I'll exit from this window. Now you can see under the Laravel folder there is another folder called student web. So under the student web folder I created a new project. So that project, the created project name is student web portal. So I'll double click and open. Then you can see all the project files created by the composer. So in that way you can create a new project file using composer. After that you can start working with Laravel framework. So to run or for coding we use Visual Studio Code. So how can we open this project in Visual Studio? Actually it's very easy. Again go to the project folder. Now I am in a project. Now I am in a project file. Inside the project file. So I just want to select the address bar like this and delete. So here again type cmd. Then you can open your command button inside the project file. Command from inside. So under the command from to open your project in Visual Studio Code, what you should do is you should just type code and a full stop code. So this code then dot code spread dot. So then press enter. So once you do this, automatically your project will open inside the Visual Studio Code. So you need to type code space dot to open your project files in Visual Studio Code. Yes, now you can see my project file open in Visual Studio Code. Then you can see project files from your left hand side like this. So in future we are going to work with these files or files when developing a web application. So here I want you to show how to run this what we call how to run this inside Visual Studio Code. So I'll close this welcome window. Then I want to create a new terminal. To add a new terminal, just click on the terminal and select new terminal. So once you add new terminal to run our Laravel project, I need to type here under the terminal PHP artisan serve. PHP artisan serve. So once you type PHP artisan serve, then service starts running. Then after service starts, then you can see this kind of common address. So here just click on this follow link. Once you click on the follow link, then your browser will open. Then if you install these three softwares correctly, then you can see Laravel documentation under this IP address. So my installations are totally error free. Therefore I was able to load the what we call Laravel home page. So likewise, you can initiate to create web application using Laravel. So this is our first lesson. I will teach you how to create web application using Laravel step by step. So stay with us. And if you have any problem regarding today's lesson, please put it under the comment section, then I can quickly answer for your questions. Now I'll add my second lesson as soon as possible. Then practice this one I think. Okay, let's meet with another video, the second video soon. So do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos like this, and stay with us. Thank you very much.